A teenager in California has big dreams of becoming a best-selling author, and she's well on her way to achieving that goal. Nia Watson with our San Diego sister station has this story.
When the lights flicker on, my heart drops.
14-year-old Shanti Hershenson loves to read.
The Immortal Examination. My favorite genre, especially when I was little, was science fiction.
Escaping from the real world. With each book, a new adventure.
And I find it really interesting to be able to kind of explore these new worlds and experience these new things.
Just like with reading, Shanti says she's always had a passion for writing. Last August, she published her first novel, Biome Lock, a dystopian thriller about teenagers fighting for survival after an alien invasion.
The first draft was so long that it was 800 pages, 250,000 words, and had to be split into 3 books.
She went on to publish 10 more novels. Shanti says some of her books are written from personal experiences. Her poetry book, You Won't Know Her Name, is about bullying and other trauma she and her twin sister Sage have gone through.
But you can know one thing, she is a survivor.
She's an amazing author. All of her word choices and everything are just beautiful.
This past weekend, Shanti achieved one of her goals with a book signing of her latest novel, Never Dying.
I was freaking out. I didn't sleep at all, and actually it went super well.
The first of many for this young author, because her story is just getting started.
Definitely, I want to be a famous author. Like, that would be so cool. I mean, to have like movies made, like, I have the fan casts all written out.
In Carlsbad, Nia Watson, ABC 10 News.